This is how to change your bank account in Amazon Affiliate. In this video, I will walk you through how to update to a new account in your Amazon Affiliate program. To do that, you come to this place, Account and List. You click Account. You can see Account. You click, look at this, your payment. You click your payment. You click Login and Security. You have to log in again. You log in again. You use your OTP. Since you are changing your Amazon Affiliate bank account, you come to this place, Site Strip. You click this. Then you come to this place. You click here. You scroll down. You click Locate Account. Manage your setting and preference. You click that. You can see Account. Payment history, account setting. You click account setting. You can see your associate account. You locate payment and tax information. You come down. You look for change payment method. You click change payment method. Before you do anything, look at this. Please note, any update to payment method in this month will be in effect only from 1st of next month. It is important you note that. So for you to add a new bank account, you click bank account. This is my former bank account detail. So you click edit. So you input your detail. So this is where you input your detail and you save the changes. Ensure you insert correct account number. You repeat the account detail, then your routine number or ABA number. Then you click save changes. You don't need to change any of this. Save changes. You can see bank account updated successfully. So this is how to change your Amazon bank account method. Thank you.